So this is a IMP. Guys, it is very windy out here, so I'm gonna hurry up and do this while the wind's currently not gusting. She is just about ready to come out. I got a couple little things here to take off. If not, all right. Alright, so as you guys seen in the last video, we went ahead and pulled this out. Now we're up here at the shop. Got her stripped down. We're gonna go ahead and get the starter off of here. So, upon further discovery, I went ahead and modified it. So, I was kind of toying around with an idea. Obviously, we wouldn't use this turbo. This turbo is probably a little bit too small for what I want to do. I'll start getting some of this stuff here buttoned back up. So, we have these connections cleaned up. I still need to see it or not, but it actually looks pretty good. Should have brought my light over. There you go. Now it's good to go. I would say just how much we need. Probably gonna give it a little extra. So, as stated in the last video, we are gonna go ahead and pull the starter out, see if we can't get that appendix unstuck. So now we're able to get a little bit of a better look at the mechanism here. Today we're gonna get this thing back together. Go ahead and spin it over one more time. Cable to the truck. This thing with all to the battery. We have an old set of jumper cables because I couldn't find any other battery cables that I already had made up. And there's and that's also what I mean by the battery charger / jump pack is not currently working very well with me. There is also the possibility that this box is no good. Apparently this is broken this whole time. Not currently working right. I don't think it has enough juice basically to spin it over fast enough for this to trigger anything. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.